Hello, it's me, Rosie, in her natural habitat. That's my natural habitat. That's my natural face. Hello, it's me, Rosie, in her natural face. So it's no surprise what I'm doing today. You can see it in the title, but I will talk a little bit about it so everyone understands why I'm doing it. And no, I'm not desperate. I'm thinking about it like months. What am I doing? I don't know if I will regret this. I definitely need a change. The change is gonna be my hair because it grows back. As you can see, my hair is pretty long. I have to stand up. So it's pretty long. It goes to my belly button. Here's my belly button. And yeah, it's blue, green, whatever kind of color this is, and I hate it. I'm dyeing it like purple and red and any kind of color, so it's not blue or green, it's literally dead. I dyed it like 100 times. It's like gummy when it's wet and I can't comb through when I don't put conditioner in it, and it breaks and it's just dead. So I decided, because it doesn't pick up the color like I want it and it doesn't stay in, it's like 1 or 2 washes and the color is gone. So I came to the conclusion that it's time to say goodbye. I decided to cut all the color off. It's a lot. All the people who know me know that I have never had short hair. As a kid I had a bob cut with fringe, but since that moment I never cut it short. And I don't know, I think short hair will suit me and would be very comfortable, but I'm not sure. So a long time of my life I had long hair. I always got compliments for my hair. It was always, oh, the girl with the long hair, and oh, you have such beautiful hair. Every time I got compliments for my hair and I was recognized by my hair. So my hair were a statement, my statement. It was always me. I'm the girl with the long hair. It's a bit sad if I think about it. I'm not gonna be recognized anymore as the girl with the long hair because they will be short in a few minutes. I never understood the girls that cut their hair and be like, oh my god, why did I do this? My hair is short now and I regret it, and they cry their eyeballs out. I never understood it, but I kind of get it a little bit now because I'm a few minutes away from cutting my own hair. It's just hair, I know, it's just hair and it grows back and it's not that important and it's not deciding what person I am. My hair is not me, so it's not that big of a deal, but my whole life I had long hair, and my whole life I've been recognized by my long hair, and my whole life I've been told how beautiful I am with long hair. Long hair has so much to do with my identity. So what am I gonna be after this? Will I get a new identity? I'm really confused. Today I'm going to be like all the other crazy girls out there on YouTube. Crazy in a good way. Don't come at me, who are cutting their hair by themselves at their homes without any knowledge and practice and whatever. I already cut my hair many times, but it was only the ends. It was not like a big chunk of hair like this much. I never did that, so I'm a little bit nervous. I watched many fail hair cutting videos, So I hope I don't mess this shit up, so I'm not gonna be in one of the compilations. I'm going to cut it differently, like I would if I would not film this, because it's for the show, it's just for the show. Don't get me wrong, I love my long hair. Like I said, I always had long hair, I know how to treat it, I know how to maintain my long hair healthy, as healthy as it gets. It's a ton of work and there are so many negative sides. Ouch. There are so many negative sides to it, like in my case, I always get stuck at doors, like on the handle. You know, you lay on your hair and your boyfriend lays on your hair. Basically, it hurts. So yeah, it's in a way. When I'm outside and the wind blows, then it's like, I don't know, this. Are you familiar with that? It's really annoying. And it annoys me for so long now that I don't know what to do with it anymore. I don't want so much effort for my hair. It takes hours to dry. It's so heavy when it's wet. If I'm making a bun, then I have like a big ball on my head and it's so heavy. I get headaches and it's not comfortable, and I want to be comfortable. So I decided it's time for a change for me and for my hair. It's heavy, it's annoying, it hurts me, and it's a weird color that I can't get out. So yeah, it's definitely time, and I'm scared a little bit, and I hope I don't cry. So to my friends and family who watch this and only know me with long hair, I hope you like it. I know right now that I will get so many confused and crazy reactions from my friends and family when they see me with shorter hair, but I'm excited for the reactions, if they like it or not, or if I like it or not. Pray for me. It's crazy and it's freaking me out right now. The longer I talk, the more it freaks me out. It's getting real right now. Let's go. Sorry for the extra long intro. I'm usually not speaking that much, so let's get started with the exciting part. Basically, if I would cut my hair right now, I would just take my scissors and go across here in a straight line and then work my way up. So it's not like I shut it I shut it cord, what the heck? It's not like I'm cutting it short and then there's no turning back. So I'm cutting it a little bit longer and then work my way up to the length I would like. So I have styling scissors here. So they are not blunt kitchen scissors or something. They are real hair cutting scissors. So my hair is getting a real good haircut. So, and I have these, I don't know how they are called. So I have these thinning scissors. So when I cut my ends, I usually go in the bathroom and put my head upside down and then tie the hair in the front and then cut the ends just a little bit. So when I put my head up again and flip the hair, I have layers in my hair. So because you put your hair in the front, the hair in the front is going to be the shortest and the hair in the back the longest, so you get perfect layers. But don't at me, I'm not a professional, it's just what I saw on videos and experienced myself. After I cut it, in a few weeks, I don't know when, we'll go to a hairdresser and bleach it. Cutting and bleaching are two words. I have no problem with cutting my own hair. It's just Okay, if I cut it wrong, then I will correct it and it's fine. Bleaching is a whole other story, and that's something... There's a fly. Go away, fly, or I cut you. Cut you! Bleach is something that can go so wrong if you don't know how to do it, and I don't know how to do it, so that's something I will leave to the professionals of the world. I always have my hair like in the side part, but do I need to make a middle part so it's like the same? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to cut so much to get all the color out. Oh my gosh, that's so much. Oh, I'm afraid. Oh my gosh, panic mode activated. When I watched the videos, I always thought, girl, just do it. What are you doing? Why are you thinking so much? And why not just chopping it off? And now I'm like, I don't want. I'm afraid. I'm scared. Oh my god, that's a lot. That's really a lot. Like, ouch. It's like green all the way up here. I don't want to cut it that short. Like here is a strand too. It's just a little strand. Okay, I'm gonna cut it above the hair tie. So I'm going to push it down a little bit further. And I'm working my way up. So here and... Am I gonna do it? Okay. It's just hair, it grows back. The mental breakdown over here. In 2 years I have the same length as now, so what the fuck? I'm not gonna think too much about it. I hope you like the show. Oh, I'm doing it! I've done it! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my hair feels so light. Hair in my hand and I'm just like, what the fuck did I just do? Why is, oh my gosh, it's wonky as hell. So here's my hair. It was just right here, and now it's here. I'm freaking out a little bit. Oh my gosh, I could cry. Oh my, you see how long that is? That was just blue of my hair, and it's like you could make a wig out of this, or I don't know. I put it on. Oh my god, there's nothing on. There's nothing to swing. Normally I do this and then I go like down here and then, and now it's like here and oh my gosh, and they're so thick. It's like, it's so thick. It's so thick. Like when I touched them here, the ends were just thin, a really thin hair. And now if I go like this, it's so thick and it feels so healthy. Ooh, what's that? Okay. Oh, can you see that? Oh my gosh, it's looking sideways. Oh my gosh, I never saw me with such short hair. I'm freaking out again. Okay. So yeah, we're going to the bathroom and I wash it and then I stylish. What's that? What is that? Oh my gosh, it looks so messy. Follow me! I'm back. Let me fix this maid. It's the next day and I was outside and 2 people already saw my hair like this. The opinions are a little bit different from person to person, but basically I think there's no turning back. So this is the hair, how it turned out. And I have to say, I kind of like it. It's not quite what I thought it would look like. I even wanted to go shorter. Like you can see at the end there is still green bits here and there, but I don't know. I don't want to go any shorter. I'm a little afraid to go even shorter because for me it's already short, really short. I tried to fix the ends a little bit so I have my layers and it's straight and nice and it feels nice. It feels really healthy and it feels really thick. Basically the blue is gone and that was the goal, but I have to fix this a little bit more. Like I said, I will go to a hairdresser in a few weeks and bleach it so I get blonde again. But I think that this part, you can see it's red and here's the green, and I think when I bleach it, it will get pink and green. So I'm afraid of that, but I hope the best. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's the end of the video. I will make the outro short. You know how this works on YouTube. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe and hit the bell, and follow on my social media. Let's be friends, have fun, and I hope you liked my video. I hope you like my new style and my short hair. Let me know what you think about it, if you like my long hair better or if you like the short hair. There's no turning back. I can't stick them on again. Okay, I can buy extensions, but they are expensive as hell, so no. Please stay safe and healthy, and we will see us in the next video. Bye! Oh, now I'm dizzy.